right, guys, in this video, we're going in a $2 million truck that makes 2,000 horsepower.
1.95 because we broke the light on our hot lap.
You're right, $1.95 million because when we went around the track, we may have scraped the 12 gauge bumper a little bit, broke the light off, and well, we were going, you know, over 100 miles an hour with a trailer, 5 people in the truck around Atlanta Motor Speedway. This video is freaking awesome. You guys are gonna love it. If you're putting your seatbelt on, I'm putting my seatbelt on.
You're fine until I think we need a helmet. If we need a helmet, then you should probably buckle up.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it.
Yeah, we're good until the helmets come on.
So we didn't have to. Do we have any helmets back there?
No.
Oh, then
We have cool stuff.
yeah. Cool stuff. Yeah, we're fine.
75 Chrome Shop.
Right. You can throw that off to the side.
That's fine,
Okay.
right
Okay.
So for real though, this is you've got a C12 cat in here, right? It's a single turbo 4 injectors.
It is a single turbo. It's not 4 injectors per cylinder because it's so old. So
Okay.
It's still only 1 per cylinder.
It's still only one.
Yeah.
But it's a C12.
Ish. Yeah.
You know, around there plus.
It depends if we drop an injector or 2. Yeah. Yeah. If all cylinders are firing, we're a little above that.
We're a little bit.
Yeah.
So it is no, but for real, the engine's in it.
C15. It's a C15 with C18 parts in it.
Yep.
I guess you'll say.
Yep.
Totally emissions compliant though. Like we threaded the needle, but it's in.
But it's all
Yeah,
in. It's all in.
Not in the gray. Not even to the top. So we're good.
We're good.
Yeah.
What year is the truck?
It's an 03.
Yep.
Basically, it's got 1.4 million miles on it, but it's only got about 62,000 since we completely redid it 4 years ago. So
Yep.
I don't know. Everything was new at that time 4 years ago. So basically, it's 2003, 2021.
I like your math.
Yeah.
No, it's like a new truck, kind of.
It's worth more if I tell people it's a 03 than if I tell them it's a 21. So I tell them it's a 03. I feel like that's what we need to do.
Yeah, they agree.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yep.
And then the dash in the truck. That's the stock dash, right?
Well, it's stock for this truck.
Yeah,
It's stock for the 0321 split. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
You can only get them with this
That-
dash with the 0321.
Very limited edition.
That's cool. That's
Yeah.
cool.
Can you believe it's 80 degrees outside?
How do you know that? God, this thing's got all kind of gauges.
Yeah.
Is it real? I mean, I guess it doesn't feel 80.
Yeah, I know. Maybe it's some engine heat.
Don,
Yeah.
should I put my hat around backwards for aerodynamics?
I think we're gonna be okay. I think we'll be okay.
Chaz took his off. He was
Yeah.
worried.
I don't need one.
Well, you don't want it to blow out. That would suck.
Well, I'm gonna put it back on straight.
Yeah, we got to advertise PDI for my exhaust manifold and turbo.
Yeah.
So we should definitely give them a little street cred with the sign.
Because
Yeah.
the engine parts that
Yeah.
make horsepower.
I mean,
PDI stuff.
we wouldn't have the whistle without them.
All right, here we go.
Yes, sir.
Are you guys sure you don't want to wear your seatbelt now?
No,
I'm okay. We don't have helmets. Don said we don't need it. So they're setting up some cameras and stuff, and then they're going to give us the green flag to take off. And then we get 4 laps. Don gets 4 laps to see what we can do in the old 341 Peterbilt.
It's kind of like when you're at the racetrack and they kick out the horses and they run or the dog track, I guess, and they run after the rabbit. That's the rabbit.
That's the rabbit.
Guess we're going.
Here we go.
don't think they ever threw the checkered flag, did they?
Oh, there you go. We got one more lap to go.
Oh, shit. Isn't that somehow it sucks you down?
It pushes you right down into the seat. That was absolutely amazing. That was too cool.
Crystal and I came from asphalt racing. We raced oval track, and as far as I know, in Wisconsin, we're the only married couple that's both been track champions.
Really?
Yeah.
What did y'all race?
Well, we started in hobby stock and raced our way up to sportsman.
Okay.
So that's basically where we ended up.
So me and Tommy, we've all been racing too. We raced a lot of dirt. I did a little asphalt.
Yes, sir.
I bet we drug it off in the turn.
It might have had contact, because I could hear something making noise.
On the right side bumper, as we're going around a turn, you can hear it dinging. I don't know if the video is going to show that or not, or if you're going to hear it, but it was, I mean, I've never, this is seriously the most wild. I turned my hat around legit because it was blowing off. I mean, I know at one point, I wasn't paying attention to it. I saw that we entered one at one point at like 102 or 103.
I think that's as high as I saw entering the turn as well.
Yeah.
That's it?
It was just awesome.
You didn't even have to hold on.
Yeah. Right? It's like,
Sucks you
yeah.
down.
And it's smooth. This thing is super smooth. Hey, thank you so much.
Yeah.
It needs parts off your truck.
Uh-oh.
Oh, we've been told we've lost stuff. We're gonna go look. That's what we were hearing.
We could hear something.
So the noise, we kept hearing, every time we'd go to turn over here, you hear ding, ding, ding. He's like, I think that's the bumper. And I was getting a little nervous about it. So it was the bumper.
Down on the front.
Oh God, look.
Yeah.
No, listen, like,
That's how NASCAR does it.
you ground the look at it, you ground the welds off the bottom of the bumper.
That's
It's shaved.
Hey, look at it. Can't even tell. 12-gauge bumper.
Like he said, 12 gauge bumper. They're good for 100 miles an hour. You can drag them in a turn just fine. That was, so what's your,
You can't top that, did you?
no, it'd be pretty hard.
I guess I'm curious if maybe a bobtail could go faster. Or if the trailer helps. Don says the trailer kind of works the truck and
I think so.
kind of sets it in the corners and stuff. Makes him feel more comfortable.
We just went 100 miles an hour around a racetrack
Yeah.
in a semi, pulling a trailer. And it sounds amazing.
It sounded
How did it look from the outside?
wild.
Wild.